Hello, my name is David. I am a content developer here at DataCamp, and in this video we will cover the anatomy of a normal exercise. Normal exercises are the most common types of exercises on DataCamp, and as an instructor you want to employ these exercises when you'd like to test the student's ability to implement code for a specific learning objective. From the point of view of the student, normal exercises are composed of the following sections. First, we have assignment text, then we have instructions, hint, script, console, and success message. To better understand each of these sections, let's take a look at an example of a normal exercise from the course Machine Learning for Finance in Python. So here we are. First, we have in the top left, we have the assignment text. The assignment text provides students with the learning objectives for the exercise. More specifically, we cover the why, the what, and the abstract how. In our example, the instructor mentions that we're going to use decision trees because they're a building block of random forests, which are a go-to model for predictions and work well out of the box. This is the why or the motivation. Then the instructor proceeds to provide further context on decision trees and even includes an illustration here. This is the what. Finally, the instructor proceeds to provide some context on the abstract how of this concept, which is providing context on the general class used for this coding exercise, as well as a method used, which is .fit, which takes these specific arguments here. Finally, which is not listed here, is additional resources that can be used in the exercise, such as relevant data sets and or packages used for this exercise. Then we proceed to the instruction section. The instructions section can be thought of as the implementation details for the exercise. The instructions list precisely what the student needs to do in order to complete the exercise, specifically listing objects and or functions used for this exercise. Then we have in the top right the script section, which is where the student inputs their code to be submitted as a solution for the exercise. And finally, we have the output section down here, which outputs relevant messages to the student upon submitting their input solution. Finally, we have, and for this, we're actually going to submit an answer, the correct answer here, and we're going to run the solution. Finally, we have the success message. The success message is a way of praising the student for submitting the right solution. And it's important to note that the success message should allude to the learning objective of the exercise. More specifically, it can speak to the output from the console. In this case, we're alluding to our model having a perfect fit, specifically on the training data. And that's it. Thank you so much for taking a look at this video.